We are at 14492 South Redbird Street in Olathe, Kansas. We're in the basement. We are going to access at the backwater valve. Right in front of it is a floor cleanout for the sewer, but it has been put on too tight. You cannot get the cap off. So we're going here with the backwater valve access is. We are in sewage here. Try to see if it's, I think we're just pushing, somebody shoved paper towel or something down this line. So we'll see if we can't push it through to the main. Yeah, that looks like shoe covers or something in the line. I'll try to push it on down the line with the camera. And gravel. We're going to run out to the main and look at it coming back. There's the main. Coming backwards. Of course, you can see some water coming down. There are some pieces of gravel in this line. There's a lot of debris in this line. I was able to push the camera through, but you saw there, so I will put that in the report. And we are out of the line.